lake there.
We had a reefer start a trailer on fire this winter. It was one of the coldest days that we had. We had to call in a backhoe to tear the trailer apart. It was right full of meat. And it got into it, and then the grease from the meat kept the fire going. It just made it hotter and hotter and hotter.
Yeah. 40 below barbecue.
So we had to, and that's what we did. We called in a little backhoe.
This is a part I always yelled. I always said, hydro tower's coming in the distance. It's always been my all-time favorite part about. I like this hill.
You're ambitious, buddy. Yeah, we've been walking way back there.
The shoe bottom hill is what I call this. Yeah, we're coming past your old house, Pat. Right where that.
I never lived in it.
Yeah, it's right there. I used to remember you were only a young. I love that rock cut there. This is Haynes Lake right there. Beautiful. Here we go. Coming around my former kindergarten teacher's house, Mrs. Nason.
Did you know, Joe, that Peggy didn't like Mrs. Nason?
Hey, she stuck up for me.
She was miserable.
Well, she stuck up for me.
I liked her too, Joe.
Because Mrs. McTurka hated me.
Peggy, how could you?
Well, Mrs.
She was a miserable old bitch.
Hey,
You were just young and didn't want to.
you know something? At
No,
least.
I was scared, and she told me I needed to stop being a baby and stop crying.
Oh, she
But
said
she
that.
didn't say it like that. She was.
Oh, she said it to me too, but then but Mrs. McTurk was the one that had a hate on me. She just didn't see my problem too clearly. She just sat there and shunned me and everything and called me stupid. Said I was going to be stupid all my life. And proved her wrong, no?
Yes, yeah.
And proved, and everybody even keeps saying, well, you're still proving your peers wrong. One thing I learned is you don't let losers intimidate you. There's a... Hydro Towers galore. Whee! The 400! I did shots of the southbound when Dad and I took it on the way home at New Year's. Yeah, Dad and I took the 400 home on New Year's. I see they got a new Parry sound thing up ahead here.
Yeah, you'll like it, Joe. It's right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot it.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I'll even slow down for you.
Alright, here we go. Welcome to Parry Sound, but there's no Bobby Orr. And I say for Nick Slater, you can kiss my ass. I say welcome to Parry Sound, and I don't care who doesn't. That's just the nerve of him, I tell you. It's a shame they didn't put a smorgasbord of Bobby Orr on it, though, that's what I say.
Well, they put his number on it, but I think that was an afterthought on
Yeah.
this, Joe.
As it should be.
Yeah.
He hasn't lived in Great North since
No.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not the home of Bobby Orr.
Yeah. Parry Sound? Yeah. Well, it's like me. I still call it my home. I don't care what anybody says, but
Johnny's selling his four-wheeler thing.
One we borrowed, a nice seat. Really? Oh, it's awesome. It's like sitting on a couch.
I tell you.
Armrests and backrests. Awesome.
Yeah. If I had my own computer right now, I could be able to put this on YouTube. You can't do it on the library computers, though, because they're on strict policies. Oh, Municipality of Muskoka, or McDougall. Low Street, McDougall Road, Parry Sound. 69 will sort of disappear off of that.
Yep.
It's say 469. I guess that's this fall when that other part is completed. And here we are. 400's heading north. Look at the traffic. And there's the other new Parry Sound sign that they got out of the G8. And you got a Starbucks there.
Hey, it's Joe from the Extreme Team. We're at 77 all weekend long. The whole weekend, as the outdoor home sort apparently is the largest in the world. We are right beside the border in front of the stage for tomorrow. We'll feature Northern National Star qualifiers, my stage winners, Stacey Jamison, Bill McCall, Kathy Corpy, and the Bareback Riders.
And
along with hundreds of vendors lined up to South Bay.
I'll never forget the day we confused Grandma Tuck when we brought her up one time. She couldn't figure where the hell we were going.
Pulling north, front river all the time.
They should have put it.
Boats, and they're like going like 2
Really should have put an arrow light on that.
Drive it like you stole it. Come on, let that baby out.
Oh, there, got a nice close-up of the new G8 funded Parry Sound sign there. Yeah, I hear that's supposed to be part of the trestle on that.
It is, Joe. You can see the top of it.
Yeah,
Just over Parry Sound.
yeah,
That's the trestle.
yeah.
And the sides of it are the.
Are the piers. Are the piers and foundation and foundings.
Whoa, this guy. Yeah, it's alright. I got time.
And this is the old 69.
Moichi.
Life jackets just $14.80. Aqua water cannons are buy one and get one for just $5. Browse the massive selection of wakeboards. Every tube and towable you can imagine. Plus, spend over $100 on any item and get the HST back on a gift card at Royal Distributing's Customer Appreciation Sale. Only till this Saturday.